Gems, it's your girl NaijaKhloe. Welcome back to my channel. And we are in summertime, and what does that mean? Fun days at the beach, hanging by the poolside with barbecue and friends. Today I'm going to show you how to pack a awesome, fun, Amazon-friendly summer bag for a nice day at the beach. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you like and subscribe, and comment below for all my OGs. Say hey girl, and let's get started. So mind you, all of these items are going to be linked below in my Amazon storefront. There's going to be two different links, so you can pick whichever one. One of them has more options than the other, but you're definitely going to find all of these things on Amazon and at your local Dollar Tree at some places as well. So we've been seeing around this summer a lot of these bog bags, right? Everybody and their mama, from your teachers to your grandma to your aunties, they all have these bog bags. So this is the Amazon version of the bog bag. This right here was about $30 something, and mind you, this is the extra large. I got the extra large. It comes in various colors, but of course, you know your girl had to get pink. Then on the inside, you can see it's very, very spacious. It comes with its own friendly clear plastic transparency bag. I'm going to show you how to use that later on. But overall, for a family like myself, where I have 3 girls, this is the perfect thing to put everything that we need. So let's get packing. Once you have those accessories were not easy to put on, but of course with the wonderful editing trick, you had no idea. But also you can get dividers. These bog bags have dividers, and you can help you put your bag into sections of 2 or 3s. Of course, with Amazon, you never know what you're going to get. But the first thing you want to pack after putting your accessories on is your towel. Because this is an extra large bag, you can actually put like 2 towels in. So you're going to put your towel in. This is just a plain, simple, colorful, fun, vibrant color for the summer beach towel to put in the bag. You can also get these on Amazon. If you have a regular towel at home and you don't want to spend extra money and just use a regular towel, but just make sure you pack one in for the summer fun. Number 2, being a mom with kids, you always want to be prepared. So I got this Amazon-friendly first aid kit. It comes with 175 pieces. You get bandages, dressing, injury treatment, and instrument, disposable gloves, tweezers, which I think they have even smaller ones, but I feel like this is a nice, sturdy case to have and put it in, because you never know. So when you're at the beach, you might be in a little accident or trouble. Your kids get splinters, burns, whatever, it might bites, and also, might be a friendly family who might need something too. But at least you're ready. So always have a first aid kit ready, moms. This was my favorite little thing, the snack bag. I didn't realize how big it was when I ordered it, but it comes with a removable handle, and it says snacks on it. So of course, when you're out swimming and you are in the pool or at the beach, you're going to want something to munch on. Like I said, being a mom, I'm going to be prepared because I know my kids, they love the snack. I love the snack. So this is just a cute little friendly waterproof bag for you to put your snacks in. So let's go ahead and pack some snacks for the little ones. A nice small travel friendly small jewelry case for your jewelry. So of course when you get to the beach, you're not going to swim with your watches or your necklace and your earrings on unless you want to, but we don't want to take any chances. So this is a cute Amazon friendly, it comes in different colored travel size jewelry case. I already have some jewelry in there. Of course, if you're in Texas down south and you're reaching 190 degrees, or even anywhere you go, summer is very, very hot. So I got this cute little thermos as well. If you have a Stanley cup, you can go ahead and put it in, or just some mini water bottles or water bottles, but you want to stay hydrated. So of course your girl's fancy. This is this cute little thermos. It just keeps your water very, very cool for a long time. So that's why I got it. To go ahead and place it in. You can also get accessories that have cup holders. I didn't get that one, but you can get one that have the cup holders and just hang it here in the front. And you can slide your cups in. So I'm going to link those as well below for you. So to give you just different options, but make sure you stay hydrated, moms. You're not going to be gambling our safety. So I got this little mini sunscreen. It's SPF 50 from Amazon as well. It's just so cute, small size. And I remember I told you in the bag, you have a small little clear compartment. So you can go ahead and put whatever skincare items you need, mini deodorants, bug repellent, these little sunscreens, put them in there. You had those ready for your day in the sun. But please make sure you wear an SPF because we got to stay safe so we don't burn and be cancer free. These are so cute. These are little more accessories you can put on your bag. I got them as well. You get a fun little pack. There's 9 different bog pieces in here. So I'm going to just show you the different ones you can use just to kind of spruce up your bag if you don't want just the plainness of it. So, and they're a nice, really good size. So you have one that has a little coconut. It says, "Take me to the beach." You have like a little crab and fun in the sun. You can also have one, which I know one I'm probably going to use for my bag for sure. It says, "What? Mom life." We're embracing this mom life. And then it has bun life. My mom's with the buns. Just 9 pieces are just fun and they're really good, nice sizes. A sunflower, some flip flops, and another. I don't know what type of flower this is, but you have all these to put on your bags. I'm just going to put a few of them just to kind of show you how they look. This was another cute fun accessory that I got. It had this different letters, so of course I got C for my first name. And it's just another way to spruce up your bag to make it fun and cute and stylish. Like I said, these are extra things you don't have to get, but I did, and it's linked below as well. Has the letter C, it's just bedazzled and charming, so I feel like it went cute with the little pink bag, so we're going to put that on as another accessory. So now you are ready to go enjoy a fun day with the family at the beach. So let's put on our sunshades for sure. Grab our family, grab our keychains, grab our bag, and we are ready to go have summer fun. Hope you enjoy this vlog. Please make sure you comment what's your favorite part of the vlog. And this bathing suit I wanted to show you is from Shein. I'm going to link it below. It's a nice plus size. It comes with the onesie. It's a one-piece blue bathing suit with a wrap, and the wrap is very, very like stretchy, so that's what I love about it. So you can cover up if you need to. But girls, I gotta go. Time for the beach.